So, good day everyone. How are we doing today? This is Tutorial Wednesday with Victor. Today, we want to talk about how to move your email from your inbox in any of the category, be it from primary, promotion, social, or updates, depending on the categories that you have, and you want to move it to your to the label you already created. But before then, you must have created a label so that you'll be able to know which of the email you are moving. The purpose of you moving your email from your inbox into the label is for you to decongest it so that it will not be showing in your inbox, but it will be showing in your email. So now let's go. There are two ways you can do it. First, you can drag it into the label. This number one way, by you dragging it like this. You see the way you just hold it and drag, you put it inside. Then the second way is for you to tick this box. When you tick this box, it will give you any of this option. Just go to this last one, move to link it, you search the label you want to LinkedIn label, and see, you can see that the email is no more in my inbox. I've already removed it from here, but it's in my LinkedIn label where I've already kept it. You see that it's already here. This is one of the email we moved, and you can see they're already here. So thank you for watching.